sanay na ako doon, sis.
Help me, please. Here.
Ay, nako, sis. Hindi naman siya nakakabasag. You want? You want to eat?
No. I want fruit.
Ay, you say no. You want? Open? Okay, I put on the bowl, okay?
No, no, no.
Open and put. Open and put.
شنو؟ وده كبير.
There.
وده في open concealer.
Inshallah.
See, I take oils and put in the jar here.
Okay. You take it now, sir, or later?
What?
You take? You
Yes, yes.
already? Ah. Oh. In one.
You want that much? This is too much.
Yes, sir. You want to give for ating Madam Mona, Madam Salwa?
I must first, because this is, I'm not buying, this is Yaqub buying.
Yeah.
I must
Eh,
say for
say-
Yaqub, not for
yes.
Madame.
Yes.
Because Yaqub, he hates Mona.
Yes, sir.
Give for Mona, for Salwa.
Yes. Nag-mute ako at andito si Amo kanina. Ano na ba? Hindi, yung may position, may obligasyon, diba? Na ano, ay 6 pieces, thank you naman. Nilalagyan ko ng kwan pa ito, ng pampaasim. It's a tamarind from India. You know this, sir coding? From India, this one, tamarind. Sampalok. Ay! Binababad ko sa tubig para medyo maasim siya. Parang sinampalukang ano. Naka-live si Queen Ella. O sige, punta na tayo sa kanya.